Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Another thing to mention is if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Galaxy wearable application. Okay, so now we can continue with the reset. First, let's open the Galaxy wearable on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see your Galaxy Watch 7. Now scroll down, find the option called Watch Settings and tap on it. And here scroll down and find the option called General. Once you find the General option, tap on it of course, then scroll down, find the Reset option, and once you find it, tap on it, then tap on this big reset button, and then you have an option to basically back up your data if you like to. If you want to, tap on Open Smart Switch. It will prompt you to open or install the application if you don't have it installed, and then you can use that application to back up your data. I don't need to, so I'm gonna tap on Don't Backup. The watch will disappear from the app and it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.